Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First thing first, I'm Rusni from TBI first 7th semester, and in this video we will talk about one of the topic in constructive and error analysis. But as we know that in the common definition, the constructive and error analysis can be defined as the method of analyzing the structure of two languages that used in a sentence. It means that from the error analysis and the constructive one, we can find out something error in the sentence or something error that was used in a language. So for further understanding about the constructive and error analysis, let's check it out by these sentences. First sentences that I found from Google, that's the national examination for vocational school 2015. The sentence is, I would like write and edit in my video later. A doctor should wear a full-handed white and colored apron to treat the patient. So in this sentence, we could find that the word wears is the error one. Why I say like that? Just because after we use should, it should be bare infinitive. It means that without using s. Well, the second sentence is it's sourced from the SURSEM, namely it's the National Examination for Vocational School 2015. Nur, which sports do you play? And then Abdi said, I prefer playing badminton than others. So we could find out that in these sentences, the error one is the word than. Because as we know that in preference, the word prefer should be with to, not than. So than is the error one because we should prefer deal with to, not than. Okay, let's talk about the next sentences. A plumber fixes your plants and kitchen sinks while a janitor cleans school offices, store, and another business places. The something wrong in this sentence or something error in these sentences is the word fix. We know that a plumber is the third person that we should put as in the verb. So, a plumber fixes your farms and kitchen. That's the right one. Alright. The next sentence is sleeping all the day, to eat too much, and never going out is unhealthy. So from this sentence, we know that there are the many kinds of verb. There are three verbs in this, namely the first sleeping, eat, and going. But we should know that in a sentence, if there are more than one verb, it should be same. So if the first sentence we use buffing, so after the comma we should use the buffing to until the next buff. So the error one is eat because it should be eating. So sleeping all the day, eating too much, and never going outside. It should be relevant and in the same place. So the error one is eat. Alright. The next sentence is, what is the higher mountain in the world? And we should put the question mark. Of course, the error one from the sentences is the use of word higher. We know that in degree of comparison, if we want to make a sentence for the most of there is no comparison, of course there is the word paling or ter. So we should use superlative degree. It means that in superlative degree we use est or most. So the error one in this sentence is the word higher. It should be highest. So it will be, what is the highest mountain in the world? Alright. The next sentence is it's still about degree of comparison. The sentence is, the final delivery of the day is the importance. The error one is the impertinence, because we know that important is 3 syllables, important, so it should be the most. So the right sentence is the final delivery of the day is the most important, so not importance. Alright, the last example that I would like to tell you guys in this video is about the sentence. It's been, wait for a minute. Without a forest, we cannot live, because it contains about plants who produce oxygen and it's a home for animals. Well, if we are not too serious or not too careful read these sentences, of course we will not know, or we will not consider where's the wrong or the error analysis or the error one in the sentence. But if we look up for the sentence, there is what life. So if we want to say kita tidak bisa hidup, so it's not should be we cannot live, but we cannot live, because life is a noun and live is a verb. So we should change the word life into the live. So I think that's all about the example of constructive and error analysis in this video. I'm so sorry for the mistake of mine. Well, I say thank you so much, and okay, see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.